Good morning, students. So, today we will discuss the rounding of the decimal numbers to the nearest ones. So, while rounding of decimal fraction to the nearest one, if the digit in tens place, if the digit is in tens place is less than 5, okay, if the digit is in tens place is less than 5, then the nearest, then the 10th place of all the following places are replaced by 0. See how? Suppose I have given an example, it is 49.37. So this is the ones place and this is the tens place. So this tens place, okay, this tens place is written 3 here, okay, is written 3 here. So you have to check whether this 3 is greater than 5 or not. So 3 is less than 5, okay, the 3 is less than 5. So what we have to do? 3 is less than 5, then what you have to do? Then the tens place and all the following places are replaced by 0. Then you have to write 49.00. Clear? If the 10th place is less than 5, if the 10th place is less than 5, then you have to do in this way. Second case, if the 10th place is equal to or greater than 5, then the digit in the ones place is increased by 1 and all the digit after the decimal are reduced to 0. So if the tens place is equals to or greater than 5, then the digit in the ones place is increased by 1 and all the digits after the decimals are reduced by 1. Okay, so example 96.872. okay, so here this, okay, so here this is 8 and which is smaller than or greater than 5, it is greater than 5. Then what you have to do? You have to add ones here, that is 97.000. If this number, if the tens place is greater than 5, then you have to add 1 here in the whole number part and rest will be 0.000. Clear? If it is smaller than 5, then what you have to do? Just simple put the 49 number, no need to add in the whole number part, and 49 and rest is would be 000. Okay, so in this way you can solve. Now come to the next chapter, that is chapter 7, that is money. So in this portion, in this chapter, yes, we will simply about read and about money, that is rupees and paise. Okay, rupees and paise. So how many paise makes a rupee? 1 rupee is equals to how many paise? That is 100 paise. Okay, and so just we have to add. Suppose add 49.50 and 0.50. So how do you have to add 49.50 plus 0.50. Nothing is here, put the 0 there. 0, 10, 10, 1, 50. Okay, so 50.10. Clear? So in this way you have to solve. And in this chapter money, just you have to note that you have to find the cost of one thing, the fun thing, that is unitary method. Okay, in the unitary method you have to find the cost of one article, one thing. Suppose let's take an example. 1 dozen is equals to how many? That is 12. Okay, half dozen is equals to 6. 1 dozen is equals to 12 and half dozen is equals to 6. Okay. Suppose the cost of a box of 10 pencil is rupees 22. Okay. Find the cost of one pencil. Okay. So in this case, the cost of a box of 10 pencil is rupees 22 and find the cost of one pencil. Okay. So in unitary method, the question will ask only about one pencil, only one thing, only one thing. So if the question says about, if the question says that you have to find the cost of one article or one pencil or one ruler or one banana, then you have to simply divide. Okay, simply divide. So how you will write? Cost of 10 pencil is equals to 22. Okay, then the cost of one pencil is equals to 22 divided by 10. So that is 22 by 10. Convert it into decimal, that is 2.2. So 2.2 will be the cost of one pencil. Remember, to find the cost of one article, we will what you will do? You will divide. Okay. Now next question. Manu bought 3 pairs of socks for rupees 210. What is the cost of each pair? Okay, each pair means one pair. Okay, each pair means one pair. Okay, so what you have to do? 3 pair socks cost how many? 210. Okay, now one pair socks cost is equals to 210 divided by 3. So 210 divided by 3, solve it, become rupees 70. So one pair cost how much? It is 70. Okay. Now John bought 10 notebooks for rupees 124. How much would he have to pay for 7 notebooks? Okay, so John bought 10 notebooks for rupees 10 notebooks. How much cost? That is 124. So 10 notebook cost 124. How much would have to pay for 7 notebook? Now see, we have to find about 7, more than 1. So whenever the question asks you to find more than one article, more than one cost of article, then simply what you have to do, first find the cost of one article. Okay, so one notebook cost, that is 124 divided by 10. So 124 divided by 10, that is 12.4. This is the cost of one notebook. So one notebook cost 12.4. Now what we have to find? 7 notebook. So if your question asks you to find more than one notebook cost, then what you have to do? Just multiply it. Okay, just multiply it. So you will get the answer, that is 86.80. This will be the cost of 7 notebook. So if the question asks you to find the cost of one article, then you will divide. If the question asks you to find more than one article, then first you have to find the cost of one article, then simply multiply with a cost of one article. Is it clear? And remember students, you have to solve only 7a. Okay, no need to no need to go for 7b. In chapter 7, the 7a is your portion. Okay, no need to solve 7b. I am repeating once again, no need to solve 7b. Okay, 7a is only in the portion. Okay, clear to all? Thank you.